excited to sponsor the event with the city of Morganton as well as TOSS. And we have 5 of our middle schools here and 4 of our high schools here. It is great to see their creativity and the teamwork that they display and the camaraderie that they have, and I know it's a fun time for them, and we just look forward to seeing their finished products.
This one's a little bit like a millimeter, or I mean, like 1 but that's how we're making sand. Yeah.
We are preparing for the competition to start. We'll start in about 5 minutes now, and we are cutting the boards so that we can be fully prepared to make the boxes as efficiently as possible. We're having all the pieces made so we can sand them down and send them down the assembly line and then paint them and have them as a completed product.
So we're making birdhouses today in M.A.D.E, and we're doing an assembly line for M.A.D.E, and we're making birdhouses. Right now we're working on cleaning up and making sure we know what we're going to do and how we're going to operate all our stuff.
And this year's event is the Assembly Line Challenge, and it'll be a chance for students to learn about manufacturing, which is one of the largest industries in our community. So it gives students a lot of opportunity to learn about different jobs they could have here.
Example, you need to put 5 right here so you know.